Welcome back to the Rustic Planters, where we turn everyday spaces into dreamy garden escapes. Today, we're stepping into the enchanting world of cottage garden front yards, where charm, color, and a touch of whimsy come together to create pure magic right outside your door. If you've ever dreamed of a front yard that feels like it belongs in a storybook, full of blooming flowers, winding paths, and cozy textures, you're in the right place. We're going to show you how to bring that effortless cottage charm to life, no matter your space or experience level. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite cottage garden flower. Let's grow something beautiful together. A cottage garden isn't about perfection, it's about personality. Think overflowing flower beds, a mix of textures, and plants that seem to grow freely, as if nature itself designed the space. This style celebrates abundance and softness, where flowers mingle casually and every corner feels alive. There's no strict symmetry, just a harmonious blend of colors, heights, and natural movement. The goal is to create a welcoming, lived-in feel that invites both people and pollinators. It's a garden that feels like it has a story to tell. The heart of any cottage garden lies in its plants. Classic choices like roses, lavender, daisies, and foxgloves instantly bring that timeless charm to your front yard. Layering is key. Combine tall blooms at the back, medium fillers in the middle, and low-growing plants along the edges. This creates depth and that lush, overflowing look. Don't be afraid to mix annuals and perennials. This ensures your garden stays vibrant throughout the seasons, always offering something new to admire. Straight lines are rare in cottage gardens. Instead, opt for curved, winding paths that guide visitors gently through your front yard. Materials like gravel, stepping stones, or weathered bricks add rustic texture while maintaining that relaxed, informal feel. Let plants spill slightly over the edges of your paths. It softens the look and makes everything feel more natural and inviting. Color is where cottage gardens truly shine. Soft pastels like blush pinks, creamy whites, and lavender tones create a romantic atmosphere. For a more vibrant look, add pops of yellow, deep purple, and bright reds. The trick is to let colors blend rather than block them into sections. Think of your garden as a living painting, each bloom adding a brushstroke to the overall masterpiece. Incorporate elements like wooden fences, vintage watering cans, or wrought iron arches to enhance the cottage aesthetic. These features don't just decorate, they tell a story and add character to your space. Even an old bench can become a charming focal point. The key is to keep everything feeling slightly weathered and authentic, rather than overly polished. Cottage gardens aren't just about ground-level beauty. Add height with climbing plants like roses or ivy growing over trellises and arches. Vertical elements draw the eye upward and make even small front yards feel more expansive and layered. Mix tall spires of flowers with climbing greenery to create a dynamic, ever-changing landscape. A true cottage garden is alive with bees, butterflies, and birds. Choose nectar-rich plants to invite these helpful visitors into your space. Adding a bird bath or a small water feature can make your front yard even more inviting to wildlife. This not only enhances the beauty of your garden, but also supports a healthy ecosystem right at your doorstep. While cottage gardens look wild and free, they still need a bit of care. Regular pruning and deadheading keep plants healthy and blooming. Choose hardy, easy-to-grow plants that thrive in your climate to reduce upkeep while maintaining that lush look. Remember, a little imperfection is part of the charm. Don't aim for flawless, aim for full and flourishing. Creating a cottage garden front yard is all about embracing beauty in its most natural, relaxed form. With the right mix of plants, textures, and personal touches, you can transform your space into something truly magical. We hope this inspired you to bring a little storybook charm into your own home garden. Every bloom you plant is a step closer to your dream front yard. Thanks so much for watching the Rustic Planters. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next garden adventure.